Hey everyone, welcome to the channel here. What we're going to be doing is getting the garage workbench going. It's going to house the fume hood as well as the electrolytic silver cell. Probably do about a 82-inch workbench here. Aiming to go about waist high for me. Try to keep things a little bit lower since we will have quite a bit of equipment that's going to have some height to it going on, but get the MIG out of the way, move the toolbox over, and shoot that the fumes right out the side of the garage there. I am going to get a 3-train jar system going so we can clean those fumes up, get those all taken care of so we're not polluting the neighborhood, and then go from there. So yep, we'll check back in once I get things going a little bit more here and give you an update. All right, let's go ahead and check in here. So got the width all figured out. It's going to be a total width of about 84 and 5/8, so just a bit longer than 7 feet. And then I wanted my fume hood to be 30 inches deep, but looking at kind of where we're at with the garage right now, I might just go 26. So front to back, it's going to be, 28. So front to back is 28. Length is just longer than 7 feet. So kind of where we're at the moment, getting everything leveled out, get some more supports in, get the legs in, get the top on, and then come back to you. Alrighty, here's where we're at. Got the legs put on, got the supports across the top. Might put some diagonal braces on each one of those legs just to make sure those don't move in case they're kicked. But let's go ahead and get the top on and kind of get this thing wrapped up. Alrighty, well, there's the top. She's all put together. So I'll be starting to build the fume hood soon. Figure I'll go ahead and put it on this side. Like I mentioned, probably got to get a hole cut through the side there. I'm going to be using some plans that I found online, watching a few other YouTube videos on guys that have built those fume hoods and things of that nature. So yeah, stay tuned if you like to see things that are overbuilt. Yeah, definitely want to stick around here, but sounds good. Catch you later.